2006 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual front airbags, alloy wheels, cruise control, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, power windows, trip computer, remote power door locks, center console, cargo area light, power driver mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, engine immobilizer, vanity mirrors, tire pressure monitoring system, front independent suspension, radio data system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.